Hello, Mr. Heap here, and today we're going to look at PollHitBlocks, and we are going to modify the blocks that we're hitting. We're going to start from this position where you've seen us get to before, and now we're going to do mc.setBlock. Once we get the position, we're going to do mc.setBlock position, comma, 0. So that means every block we hit, we're going to get the position, and then we're going to set a block in that position, which is air. So now when I run this, when I right click, now instead of nothing happening like before, now every time I right click, that block turns to air. And so you can right click and everything that I want to right click on turns to air. Now, if we want to change it, we can change it to 1. And now every block that I hit is now going to turn to stone. Notice I can't make stone in air, but I can make stone on any block that I hit. So that's pretty neat. And you can change this to any block you want. Say you want some glowstone in an area. Now all of a sudden you can hit this and glowstone's going to appear at whatever block you hit. Now that's pretty fun, but you can also set another block. So if I do mc.setBlock position that, here we go, I can spell position, there it goes, position.x, position.y, because I'm going to take the x from the position, but I'm going to move my y up 1, so, and then position.z, and now I'm going to turn that to 89. So not only am I going to now just hit a block and turn it to glowstone, I'm going to hit a block and the block above it is going to turn to glowstone. So whenever I hit a block, the block and the block above it are now going to be glowstone. And that's pretty fun. We can do it with 2 blocks. That makes sense. But really, why stop at 2 blocks? We can just keep on going. So what I could do is I could do mc.setBlocks, and we can start from your first position, position X, position Y, position Z, and then do, this is going to run off the page here. Let's see if we can move this. Position X, position Y, and let's do plus 20. Let's make this 20 tall. And then position Z. And now when I run this, bring up my Minecraft world, now everywhere I hit, 20 blocks high. If I come over here, 20 blocks high. And I just did this with height. You could do it with width.